Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, let's look at how Bright helps you to avoid interest. Credit card interest add up fast, but Bright helps you to avoid it with smart automatic payments. Now, once you link your credit cards and bank accounts to Bright, it then tracks your due dates, your minimums, and your balances. Instead of waiting until the due date, Bright uses extra cash it finds in your account to make early payments, often multiple times a month before interest builds up. It prioritizes high interest cards first, which reduces how much you owe and how long you're in debt. Bright's autopay feature ensures that you never miss a payment, while its smart payments go beyond that to hit your principal and avoid interest charges. The result? You stay ahead of interest and pay off your cars faster without lifting a finger. That's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Subscribe to the channel and ring that notification bell so you never miss another update in the future. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.